we're going on a bike ride. Okay. Lads, get on your bikes. Let's go. Okay. Should we go up here then, lads? Okay, lads. Let's go, lads. This is like mental, lads. Oh, look at this. Oh. Well, we're going to show you. Go round here, and we're going to show you. Okay. Okay, we're going to show you. There's a green. Oh, look, there's a man. Okay, ready. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Great, let's, should we go to the flogging then, lads? Good, let's go then. Yeah, take. We go down the hill, lads. Okay. If I could do it in here, that would be sick. But the wire would get in the way. So, if you would do that, you would see my boy. Come here, twink. Really, you're going to keep taking line? Let's do this. Oh, gosh. Great, let's show you down our flogging then. Okay, I'm just going to stop here a sec. Just put it in. Yo. YOLO! Look at this. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. Shoot! We want a lovely picture of the street. There's none. I think that's a perfect view. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Yo, move! Let's do this! YouTube! Dude, with the headphones here! Dude, you're going on YouTube! So, here's the flogging. Let's show you a picture of our flogging. We call it the flogging. Okay? Okay, here's the flogging. Okay, let's do this. There's the flogging down here. Looks boring. Okay. Yeah. Oh, cool. Let's do this. Here's the flogging. Okay, look down there. It's slippery as hell, but look. Foxes have come down here.
It's a beautiful day for the flogging island.
Yeah, look at it.
Muddy.
Yeah, it's real muddy. We shouldn't have done it on this day. But I'm uploading this to YouTube to show you what I do in life. With all my mates. And whoever, if you hear that Ryan stinks, that's Caleb. He's a little kid. He's a kid, right? And he's just messing about, calling me Ryan stinks because he's trying to shove me. Look, he's just a little kid. Look, he's shoving me. Look. That was funny, Caleb. Don't, otherwise I'll show you on YouTube. Okay, should we take you down the flogging? Oh, I've had enough. Let's go down the flogging, lads. Should we go down the slide, or shall we go down here? Oh God. Oh God, it is the slide. Oh God, it's covered in leaves. Foxes!
What does the fox say?
Ying, 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 ying. Yeah. Ruben's a little younger as well, but I'm like,
what does the everyone listen? What does the fox say? What does the fox say? Ding, 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 ding.
I'm not going down. I ain't going down this slide. It'll get me muddy. You'll see the camera go flipping. Right, I've decided to upload this video to YouTube so we can show you what I do in life. Okay, Danny, don't do that. Oh my God, look at that. That's a storm and a half. Oh God, it's gone windy. Look at the sky today. It's not that good. We, go down. The school broke up today, I believe, because Caleb finished today. Yeah, so, he finished today for a week. Okay, we're not going to get to go down, but when it gets sunny, I'll do a vlog on,
We'll do another video.
we'll do another vid on this vlogging down here.
Yes.
Thank you for watching the thumb up and press subscribe. Bye bye.